Plonkers, Daft Scots last year, and today I thought I would vlog because recently, in this week in fact, I lost a bet and I had two options. One was to get rid of one of my eyebrows by way of shaving, and as you can see I still have both my eyebrows. And the second option was doing the teabag challenge. Now, most of you YouTubers will know what the teabag challenge is because it's been going around the interwebs for quite a while. Now, when I saw what I would be doing, I almost gagged watching other people do it. So this is going to be quite a challenge for me. So I still think it's much better eating a tea bag than it is walking around with one eyebrow for a fucking month while it grows back. That's if it grows back. I mean, that's just gonna look stupid. So here goes. And for today's tea bag challenge, I will be using my favourite tea, hoping that it won't taste quite as fucking disgusting as the normal tea. Let's only hope. So, here it is. Vanilla tea. Yum yum yum. Here goes. So some people actually stick the whole bag in their mouth and munch away, but that's not the correct way to do it apparently. So I'll be opening the tea bag, ripping the paper obviously, and then eating what's inside. So let's go and see what it looks like inside. Oh, I'm actually getting goosebumps just thinking about this. Oh wait, there's two wee sections to my bag, so this is going to be a bit awkward. Oh shit, half of it's just fallen out. Well, just a wee few sprinkles. So, yeah, it looks pretty bleak actually. There's what it looks like inside. Can you see? It looks pretty dark and disgusting and bitter. So, here goes. 1, 2, 3. Oh god, I can't do this. I'm such a fucking ninny. Right, so remind me again why I'm doing this challenge. Oh yeah, I lost a bet. Here goes. 1, 2, 3. Oh my god. I'm going to be digging this stuff out my teeth for weeks. It's like chewing on somebody's sock. Okay. All I keep oh, goosebumps. All I keep thinking of is you have two eyebrows, you have two eyebrows. There you go, it's gone. I need some water. Now, you know who you are, and you know why I lost the bet. Absolutely fucking disgusting. And if I have diarrhea for 3 days, I'm not going to be very impressed. So, plonkers, that was the tea bag challenge. Have a good time in my tea. Cheers for now, plonkers.